Today I'm excited to be participating in a challenge. It's hosted by Pretty Simple Sherry and Lisa Birmingham. These ladies are super talented and I love watching their videos. I've been watching them for quite a while now. I'll have their channels listed in the description box down below, as well as the playlist. And it's an Upcycle Ugly Thrift Challenge. And I didn't thrift this, but I bought this for my grandmother about 30 years ago. And yes, I do love her, but it was in style at that time, but it certainly isn't now. So I am going to redo this and see how it turns out. So I hope you'll enjoy this. If you like content like this, please hit that subscribe button, ring that bell, forgive my cat, and give me a big thumbs up. Alright, let's get started. Bushy! Yes, this is about as ugly as you're going to get. But I want to see what I can do with it. It's got good bones, but we'll just have to see. I originally wanted to take off the hardware and spray paint the hardware black, but the only place I could unscrew was right here on the lid. Everywhere else, even the other part of the hinge, is almost like it was nailed in or something. So I figured it was best just to try to paint around it instead. So I took off the lid, just went from there. I had an old shirt that I used to reupholster it, and I wished I had the quilting batten that was just flat in a sheet, but I didn't. All I had was this from a pillow, so I just tried to make it work the best I could. I didn't have any staples for a staple gun, so I used fabric glue to glue it down. No doubt it would have held its shape better if I'd had the staples, and I may go back and redo that part when I'm able to get the staples. And to cover the center part and to cover the edges of the fabric, I just used some foam core board and in black, and just used a paint pen around the side and just glued it onto the back. And while I'm doing this, let me tell you about my other channel. It's called Susan's Southern Cooking, and it's all kinds of southern food, casseroles, fried zucchini, even canning some zucchini relish. So if you like that kind of food, please check it out. It's listed in the description box down below. Since I couldn't pull off the hardware, I just decided to paint the paint over the fabric using the Waverly chalk paint in white. So it took 2 coats, but it gave pretty good coverage considering how colorful it is. I used a wet paper towel to wipe off on the metal parts any places I may have accidentally gotten paint on. And I lost the footage where I used my Cricut and painted out decals to put on the front and sides. I hate when I mess up like that, but I thought I had my camera on. But I will let you see what it looks like. And here's the finished product. I think it turned out cute. I think the top would have been better if I had had a staple gun. And I was able to pull it tight and had the right kind of batting. But overall, I think it turned out kind of cute. I like it. Well, I hope you liked my project. If you did, please hit that like button. And until next time, bye.